Hi guys, welcome back to Photo Booth Connect. I apologize that I have not been online in a while or posted any new content, but I only want to post content that adds real value to you guys. And I thought that today I would run through two things. The first of all is a little bit of the inquiries and messages and feedback I've had about Bespoke Booth. So Bespoke Booth, as you may know, did another video on it. Amazing service where obviously they're offering templates, overlays, magic mirrors, face swap, AI, basically all your design needs, which can automate your business in one place. Now, a lot of you said to me, Rahul, like I want the pricing the same as what you have. I didn't actually realize when I put the video out there, but because I've done a lot for bespoke booths, obviously just in terms of connecting them in places, helping them out. We're a brand that's respected within the industry. My name's respected within the industry. Within these membership fees, um, we basically have the lifetime package, but we have it with priority support and edit club. They did that as an exclusive to me. And that was basically because of the fact that obviously I've helped them out a lot. I've given them a lot of feedback, um, and those kind of things. But I know that couple of you wanted the same package as me. Now, I spoke to Sam, who owns it. It would be $3,000 if you wanted the lifetime package with the priority support and the edit club. So, if you are interested in that, comment or drop me a DM to YouTube and we can get that sorted for you. I did ask Sam to put this onto the website to add it as a package, but I think he's a bit reluctant. And I haven't heard back from him in regards to that. But I just wanted to let you guys know it isn't BS, and obviously it is possible to be done if you're willing to make that investment into your website, which I think is well worth it. Because think about it, for the rest of the lifetime of your business, you are not going to you're not going to do any design work, as simple as it is, on your animated screens, your template widgets, your print templates, your static screens, your pillars, everything. So if you have numerous photo booths, it's a no-brainer on what you end up spending versus your time back. But you guys have got to calculate your ROI. That's something I can't do for you. Now, moving on. I did a really brief overlook at Booth.events, but I didn't actually run through with you guys an actual event. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to run through. I have a event for the council tomorrow, which is completely free. Um, and I'm just going to run through that event using my bespoke booth templates that I have that I had those guys make. And yeah, what I'll do is I'll just run through how I do it. So how I'll do an event with multiple overlay selections and AI as well, which is what I'm pushing more on our Look Classic booth for. So I'm just going to go to my event on bespoke booth. As you can see, the design club has done a brilliant job here. They've done me some designs here, which I'm really really happy with. So shout out to them. And I've got my bespoke booth portal open here as well. So I'm just going to basically now start the new event. So I'm going to call it exactly what it is. So NTU Xmas Head Start. Because basically I'm taking our new Lux Classic wood booth and I think I may be speaking as well at this event where we've won a couple of innovation grants for Ashfield Council. So um, it's tomorrow. So I'm going to create the event from scratch, run through it from scratch, 100. Let's go through this. But yeah, so the sticker set, I just used the default one. I've not really played around with making that as of yet. I have some default templates there, so I'm gonna run through that. Okay, so here you can just put in notes about the booking. So let's just say Ashfield Council free event, networking and guest speaking. Um, the present looks classic booth. I don't know. I'm just going to put this here is that I don't want a gallery passcode and supercode, but if you're doing like a corporate event and you want to make it look really, really like GDPR compliant, super GDPR compliant, as I say, super, you can definitely go and add this in. It's really simple. I will say booth events, it is really, really simple. If you want to add your logo on, so I'm gonna go and get my logo on. Just it's just to the event here. You can add that, so I'm gonna add that in. And obviously you can add in like your website links and all that kind of stuff here. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put I'm going to change the caption messaging to experience this moment. Hashtag Lux Classic Booth. Yeah, I'm gonna make it that. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. Data collection. I'm not gonna take any data collection, but this is like so if you were doing a corporate event, maybe you're marketing the photo booth in that way, which is quite popular now at corporate, you could say to them, "Hey, look, my photo booth will collect the data," and you turn that on, and then you'd make sure this is UK GDPR compliant because we're in the UK. We're talking about the UK on this channel, baby. Not anywhere else. You get me? Not anywhere else. Love you, David, in America over there. You know, David, me and David done a podcast together. I love him, man. But nah, this is the UK channel. So yeah, UK GDPR compliant. So just hit save changes on that. And then you want to go to your track screen, which you can get as well. So it's loading mine up. I have my track screen is actually a video that our old ad agency, my very good friend Michael Greenwood do, which is a banging video and it just looks smashing every time. So I think that's pre-saved because I kind of pre-saved that on another event and it will pre-save most of the settings within Booth.events and it will of course just put that out there for you. I don't know why that's not loading. Yeah. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's set. So now it's basically like where you set up your filters of what templates you're having. So it looks like obviously there's a couple here. What I'm going to do is obviously like you need to have one template basically for your AI features. So if you're doing AI and you have the Pro Plus membership, which I do, um, then what you can do is you basically make one template just for AI, so they have that option just to do an AI, play with AI and take AI photos, which I want to do tomorrow. I'm going to demonstrate. So I've got that left on, but this one I would probably I would probably edit the template, yeah, because what it is I've got a couple of templates, but my templates are going to be totally different. So. Um, I think I've got a four template actually looking at this. Yeah, one, two, three, four. Yeah, mine's a four template. So I'm gonna just download this. Okay. Okay, yep, so that's my green one. So I'm gonna remove the background here. Now, if you didn't know how to get to this, you just go to templates, edit, and it will obviously save it because it pre-saves your templates. So I'm gonna delete the background image and I'm gonna add one in. I've created a photo area. So it's upload JPEG. Yeah. I'm still used to Loom Booth, DSLR Booth, guys. So forgive me because on DSLR Booth, Luma Booth, you would click add an image and then that would add your background overlay or design. Okay, so it's here. So it's uploading. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, that's worked perfect. That's worked sweetly. Yeah, yeah. I think that looks perfect. Yep. So that's all done. So I would just obviously save that. It's saved. So that template's been basically changed. And then it should update as well within here. So yeah, I'll just hit save changes on that. I'm gonna go to templates and do this the proper way. Yeah, so that template's changed. So I want to change this template because I'm gonna hit edit. And I'm going to do the same thing again because beautifully, I think this is the same one and I have this design. So I'm going to hit delete. Oh yeah, I need to download that one. So I've got a blue one as well, which Bespoke Boost made for me. That's the same one. I thought it was. So that's brilliant. That worked beautifully. Because I also did a Christmas event for Dementia Choir for free, just to help them out. And I'll be honest with you guys, I did it for free because I just wanted to do some good things in life, like I help you guys out on the YouTube and I'll do these things, when you think about it, no one else from the UK scene stepped up from the photo booth game. There's millions of companies out there and they're probably doing better than me even. And they haven't stepped up and done a channel, but I'm putting it out there. I'm the first, and I want to make a difference to not only the community, but the photo booth world as well. And if I can help people with that, then great and people get to see from our manufacturing side when we're making the booth how much help we are. And so as you can see, because this is the same overlay where the coordinates for the photo areas are exactly the same, this is just worked perfectly, so it's sweet. So that's saved. Um, what you would do is, so I can explain it, is basically with the templates, it's so easy to do. It did take me a little bit of time to get my head around it, but photo area 1 has coordinates, photo area 2, photo area 3. So you just enter what the coordinate is for the photo. Now, if you buy from bespoke booths, basically let's say you had 4 photos. So when I'm saying 4 photos, I mean one, two, three, four, done on bespoke booth. You just find the coordinates for it here. So it would be every 4 photos would be this one. So you'd make sure your coordinates within the template for photo area 1 are photo area 1, 70, 68, 96, 64. And then it's got that here X, Y, Y, X and Y, W and H. So that's how you set up where each photo area goes and how you find the coordinates. So hopefully I've walked through that real quick for you guys. So I'm going to delete this one off as well because I think I've got a red. Yeah, I've got a red one as well. So that'll work sweet. I'm going to download that. Okay, and upload photo area. So red. I've just put 3 overlays on this design. Sweet. Yep, that looks good. So now my templates are kind of all sorted out. The only one I'm going to delete is this one because I don't need this one anymore. So basically for that event, they're all now updated to the latest thing. We've got the NTU there. So what I can do is I can just go in and check those are the right ones. So yeah, so they've got 3. So basically, you have to select the template once you've created it. So for that event, so I'm going to select these 3, these 4, because I've got AI there as well. Um, and then yeah, so now it will show me all these templates are live for my event. Everything's done. I'm just going to check the attract screens as well. Yep. So I've got the video here as well, which is it has a video. So this is the video I was on about that obviously I'd put on. So it's the MP4 you can see there. And I'm pretty sure that track screen will be right. Yeah, here you go. It's come up now. I don't know why it didn't load earlier. So I'm going to select the Luxe home screen as the one I want. So this is the video that I've selected that I want to play every time. And I will go to my iPad now and I'll show you guys the event live. But that's pretty much the event set up, which is brilliant. The only thing I didn't work out at the last event was how you go to the gallery and how you do that. So I'm going to figure that out, come back, guys, and I will show you everything on the iPad as well. I'll do a screen recording on my iPad, in fact. I'll work that out and get screen recording done. Combine the video, come back, show you on the iPad now. Booth events. So we're in booth events. An important thing to remember is that this download, so it's touch to download, where downloads is where it says 100% is done because it seems to, from what I understand, download all of the files onto the session as such. So I'm just going to tap this. I don't have my DSLR connected, but I just want to show you guys the event. Now, I was told last time that the reason the gallery didn't show is because I didn't click it, apparently. I think I've selected it now then, so let's go to this event and launch, start the event. Okay, so yeah, we've got 4 templates raised, as we know. Okay, so if we go to photo, you can select your template here. And what I like about booth events is it gives you that preview option as well, and the AI option. So the 3 that I made here are obviously here for the user to select, and I can see that the AI option is here as well. So I'll just give an example of that. I'm going to take a photo of the AI option. Boom. That should be the AI option anyway. No, that's not, for some reason. Let me have a look. There it is. AI portrait was there. Okay. Actually, yeah, that's what I found last time. So frustratingly, you have to keep this bottom fourth option on templates for AI portrait to show up. But what I could do with is turning off all these other buttons because I don't need them. So I may well have a look into that because I know there was a way to change it. But yeah, that's the event pretty much live and ran. I'm gonna have a look if there's a way to change this. Right, just bear with me. But yeah, there's a lot of cool features, as you can see. Gallery is now coming up there, so I hadn't tapped that last time. But I think if you do something with Booth events, I don't know if it's double tap. There is a way to get back to the main menu. I'm going to just close it down in this instance. But that's pretty much the event set up. I've just closed down the app here. Settings, there we go. Okay, 4 templates selected. Yep. I'm going to have a look at get rid of these buttons. Gallery button, yep. Here we go. So I don't need these on. 3-second countdown. Child appearance buttons are in case there's children. I don't think I have any at my event, but I'm just going to relaunch this now so I can show you with the right buttons. Track screen is made for landscape, that's fine. Not too bothered about that. Yeah, there we go. So that's better. So I got less buttons now. I got only the buttons really that I need, but the gallery option's there, which is perfect. Because last time I did an event, I couldn't find the gallery. But it was my first time using Booth events. But yeah, man, hopefully this shows it you guys a bit better how easy it's been to set up. And if you do like it, please do comment, subscribe, and of course hit that like thumbs up button for us as well. We appreciate it.